What is up, guys? Welcome to another Crypto Guru Happy Friday. I'm here enjoying my morning coffee, even though it's not morning anymore. There is a lot going on in the market. Sorry I didn't make a video last week. I'm going to make up for it this week video. I'm going to do a lot of technical analysis and show you guys what's going on in the charts. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, stay up with my latest content. Make sure you like the channel. Also, follow my socials. I'm kind of lagging a little bit on the Facebook, but I do stay consistent on the Instagram, and this week we have a 5 for 5 market predictions, and they hit all my targets. So this week has been really good, but let's just jump right into our TradingView platform, and I'll also do an update for Etherlight, what's going on, what I think is happening at the end of the video. So let's jump right in. TradingView, we're on Bitcoin on the daily. And what I've done here is I wanted to simplify this chart a little bit. The red is our support. So we made a support at 53,541. This is a pretty strong support here. These two levels, 55,607 and 57,626, are your next Bitcoin levels to watch for. These are extremely important to move to the next level. We have to build a support on 55,607. and that will take us up to 57,627. If you guys look, we are going to zoom in from the daily to the 12-hour, and you can see that we're getting a little bit of consolidation. We got some green, we got some red. They're staying right within this level. Let's take it to the 4-hour. We come in a little bit more with our microscope here. And you guys can see, boom, we rejected, we came down, we held support, we came up, we rejected, and we're just kind of hanging right in this level right here. Now what's really good, see on the hourly, you guys can see it even better. We're literally holding this, level for support, but we are consolidating right now, which is really good. It's going to give us some steam to get to the next level. If I put on our Bollinger Bands, you can see there's not really too much going on with market volatility. We're just kind of staying right here, which is really good for altcoins, because altcoins are going to get all kinds of money dumped into them, which is going to make everybody happy, because the altcoins have a much lower market cap, so it's easier for them to grow in size compared to Bitcoin. So this is on our 1 hour. Let's go to our 30-minute, and the same thing, the same identical thing. If we blow it up, we look at the candles, and we broke through, we rejected, we tried it again, we rejected. And as long as we hold this support, we're gonna come back up and try this level again. We have to make 55,607 our support. That's the main thing and we want to see volume too. We don't see a lot of volume. This is a lot of volume. This is what we want to see for a major move to the next level for Bitcoin. So now let's jump into our ETH. Let's see what ETH is doing. I just used the Coinbase. Okay, so on ETH, you guys can see that I've drawn our little upward pendant. We are holding this upward pendant pretty good. Actually, this is on the 30 minutes. So let's just let's take it out just like we did with Bitcoin. Let's go out here to our level, and I have drawn our levels for Ethereum also. So if you guys can notice, we are on a very important area here for building support. We need 36.47 and 37.14 are your next levels of resistance that we need to flip into support to go to the next level. And we're getting pretty close. We're gonna go back up to this 4K as long as we can hit these levels. Our next one is this 36.47. We're about $40 away. And if I put on our Bollinger Bands, you guys can see that we're not making a move yet, but we did cross over the 21 MA and we're headed in the up direction. And with the Bollinger Bands, you follow the direction the candles go. So they're going up, and that is a good thing. So that's on the daily. So let's take a look at our 12-hour. Let's jump into the 12-hour. It's about same thing. Let's go to 4-hour. Let's go to our 4-hour. And our 4-hour, we are definitely at a point of heavy resistance. See right here? This is what we rejected last time, and we came down. We're right at this point. Within this $20 is this range right here that we did not make it past last time. 36.39. That's pretty much our level. So we're right there, and right now it does look like that we are getting a rejection candle and breaking to the downside, but we haven't quite done it yet. So this could just be just a fake out. This candle hasn't even closed. It doesn't close for another 3 hours. So let's jump into the 1 hour, see what's going on. And once again, we want to see a volume confirmed breakout, either the up or the down. And we haven't gotten the volume. See, the volume's not that big. It needs to grow another candle here, and it needs to be major volume to confirm a breakout to the downside. So we could just literally move this down, and it's still within our range here. So, and like I said, this candle hasn't even closed. We need another big red candle, and it needs to be going to the downside. All right, so let's take a look, see. Now, if we break to the upside, you guys can look at where our target will be for Ethereum. Will be the 38.34 level. 38.34 is our target. Now, let's take a look and see what our indicators are telling us. Let's go back out to the daily. Let's go back out to the daily. Sorry, my computer's a little bit slow. Okay, so we have our money flow index. There's a ton of money coming into Ethereum on the daily. Our RSI, we are making higher lows and higher highs. So see, we got a higher high, and then we got a higher low from this one. So that is good. We also, for our, oh wait a minute, that was our RSI. Our RSI is making higher highs and higher lows. That's in the uptrend. We have our stochastic RSI all the way at the 100 level, but it can run up here for 8 to 15 days, no problem. Then we can go look at our MACD. We got a cross on the MACD, so we went bullish, and we have our blue line on the top, which we are bullish, and we have momentum going up. So MACD is showing us all green, which is really good. We might have missed our buy opportunity, or you guys, I wouldn't suggest jumping in right now. All right, let's go to our 4 hour. There's still a lot of money. There's still a lot of money in Ethereum, a lot of money going into Ethereum. And let's go to our 1 hour. Actually, I really like the 4 hour, so let's just go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, our stochastic doesn't know exactly what it's doing, but we are making higher highs, higher lows. This, as long as we get moved to the up, would be a higher low than this, and our trend is continuing upwards. Like I said, it probably is not the best time to buy because Look at our RSI. We're headed into overbought territory. We want to buy down here, especially on the daily. We want to buy when it's a lot lower. So you might be able to make some small little gains here, but nothing major. Nothing major. Now, once we make this 36.46, we could get, you know, $150 pop, or we can actually, it looks like it could be a move all the way back up to the 4. So this could be a $400 move, but we need to build support up here. Now let's go over and take a look at a coin that I really like called Seller. And Seller is making me very happy right now. So we got in down here. We got in at this level, 4 cents. And we're at 16, which is a 400% increase. 400% increase. Now we did pop down here for a little bit, and I made this green line, this 0.382 on the Fibonacci, and we just blew past it just in the last, let me look. We just blew past this in the last 30 minutes. Look at, we just got a brand new 30-minute candle. We just blew past this resistance point that has been a resistance for Seller. Now we're turning into support, and this coin is very underrated in my opinion, because now that we're up here, we're in the 16 category, and look at what happened last time. Look at what happened last time. Look at, we build this support right here. We're right at this level, and we just shot all the way up to 19. If you guys look at the Bollinger Bands, our moves are wide open, and the candles are following the direction, and it's going straight up. Look at our volume. We have 2 huge volume candles, and this one had just started, so it is just moving up. Look at our stochastic. We have higher lows, higher highs, uptrend. We have higher lows, higher highs, uptrend for our RSI, and we have tons of money flowing into Seller right now. So we just take it back just a little bit to our daily, and here's our daily. Now check this out, guys. If you guys got in right here at this cross would have put you in at this candle at 13. So you would have had a move from 13 cents to 16 cents in the last 2 hours. This would have been the perfect time to buy right here. This would have been the perfect time to buy. And what you want to do is you want to wait for this to go into the oversold, and we have a little ways to get there. We're getting there pretty quickly on the daily. We're headed into sell territory. See these spikes? This is when it reversed at 76 or 77. So once we cross above this territory, we want to sell it somewhere between the 70 and the 80 and wait for that retrace that will always happen with a coin when it jumps. Now this could go to a new all-time high, and then we could sell it. So just gotta make a determination. So we're gonna go to our last coin here really quickly before we do a quick Etherlight update, and we are on ADA. ADA is where our stochastic is. Once again, we're doing the higher lows, higher highs. So we have an uptrend, classic uptrend right here, and more money is flowing into. We're building an uptrend with the money flow index, and our RSI also has an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Everything is signaling uptrend with ADA on the daily. So we take it back to 4 hours, and I drew this little pennant, and this is where our suggested breakout will be, 277. If we can get a volume supported bounce, we need a bounce above this. We need to build a support up here. We're building a support right here, so we're getting very, very close. We could extend this out. We could extend this out. We're coming to a head. And as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, I believe that we're going to get a bounce. We're going to get a move from 226 to 280 as long as we break to the upside. But so far, it's looking like we're definitely holding our line up here. And like I said, we just have to break out above that. And so that is going on. That is what's going on for your market analysis, all up to date. Now let's just take a look very quickly at what's going on with Etherlight. We will begin by going to CoinGecko. We'll log into CoinGecko really quickly. Let me type in Etherlight and we are here. So we have a little over a penny, a little under a penny and a half, 1.4. We're all over the place, but if you look at the 90, we are kind of flat, but we have gained a support along here, which is good. So we're not crossing below that. And look at our trading volume. Our trading volume is up 243,000. I remember when it was like 60,000 trading volume. So I'm waiting for this coin to pop. And if you guys look, the volume is going up. There's a couple new exchanges that have hopped on here with another 40,000 worth of trading volume. So more people are trading this coin. More people are buying this coin. If you look at OAP, which is the like sister coin company, it was at $7. It's down to $2. But we also look at our long-standing trend, and if you look, we have gained a support right at $2, and we're staying kind of flatlined right here and holding support at $2. And I'm waiting for this to pick back up. I believe it will. All right, so now let's go hop onto our MetaMask, and I'm going to give you guys a quick little update what is going on with the staking that we did. Connect wallet, MetaMask, and this connect. All right, so now if we click over to pool, we click our manage our rewards, and this is where we're at here. We have 4,157 ELX tokens, which is the coin for the Etherlight exchange, DEX, decentralized exchange, or your ETL, which is 8716, and this is my reward share, 0.25. It was 0.27, but more people have obviously hopped in, and you get 0.3% of the 3,000. Let's see here. You look here. Here's your rewards: 3,836 ELX given per week, but now there's 6,652,000 ETLs in this pool, and I only have like 10,000 or something like that, so it's obviously not. Now the other one is the ELX USD Lite. USD Lite is the stable coin for the Etherlight network, and that is just kind of like the tether for the Ethereum, and you can trade this coin when the market is kind of all over the place and you're kind of worried about your money going up and down. You can get a stable coin. And now we're going to connect this wallet. Stay away from this one and wait for it to connect. I'm going to roll this over. Okay, here we go. We are in Epoch 17, and bear with me really quickly. All right, here is the pools that I'm in staking. We click on the rewards. button, and here is the rewards. I've been in for a while on these first two pools. They're almost at 300 ETLs each one. I'm not going to claim it. I'm just going to let it sit. And then these ones, I put in a large chunk on both of these, but they haven't started paying yet. And I believe it's because I entered on Epoch 16. So basically 17 is when the rewards start, but they do not show in the account until 17 is over and 18 has started. So I will keep you guys up to date on that. And that is it for today's technical analysis. I do not want to be too long on this video. I hope you guys got some good tips. I'll try to get another video up by this next Friday. Maybe I can start making videos a little bit more often to stay up with market conditions. I'm going to continue my coffee. Have a great Friday, and I will see you guys on the next video.